Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to be a TikTok creator. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok, then tap on your profile. There you can see the option of how to be a TikTok creator. There you can see the option of three-line icon. Tap on it. There you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it. There you can see the option of accounts. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of switch to business account. Tap on it. There you have to see the welcome you, then tap on next. There you have to learn about your audience, then tap on next. Research more about people, access conversation tools like this. Choose your category. What's your category? Influencer. So search for media and entertainment, blogs, media and entertainment, as we are influencing people or creating contents. Or you can also tap on others if your genre is another, then tap on next. Here you have to add your email to change your account to business. Then after entering your email, tap on confirm, then add your bio. Then after entering your bio, tap on confirm. Then there you can see you have created a business account, so tap on visit suit. Then you'll get the creator's account as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.